So after a really long discussion, George, he said it was okay for me to cut his hair. So we are gonna be cutting this hair, not a lot, just the sides.
Like 6 weeks past.
I know, 6 weeks he hasn't gotten a haircut, but it's okay. You know, I went to beauty school and they trained us a little bit on guys' haircut. So I did a couple tests years ago and I passed this. So let's see if I still remember, because it's been like 10 years or so that I haven't like cut hair. Actually, I cut your hair once.
You touched my hair the one time.
Yeah, I cut your hair once, but like other people, customers and stuff like that, because I did used to work at a salon years ago. But let's see, let's do the before. So I did a 2. So now I'm gonna go with 3. Actually, like a 3.5. I'm gonna go now. So George wants the hair to be longer, so that's why I didn't go too short.
It's called undercut.
called an undercut, so I didn't touch the top at all. It came out pretty good. And there was salt and pepper going on over here. Still looks good. You like it, honey?
A lot of salt and pepper.
I love it.